Hi, I'm Matt Slane, and in this video I'll teach you how to build a compressed air cannon out of nothing more than around $20 worth of PVC piping. This is a great activity which allows you to further interest in engineering as well as just have a fun time launching stuff across a room. So, let's get started. The first piece of material we have is a 3-inch diameter PVC piping. Tip: when you decide what length of PVC you should buy, make sure it actually fits in the vehicle you are using to transport it, unlike this one. The second is a 1.5-inch PVC pipe in diameter, and this one you want to be shorter, and this one is about 2 feet long. Next, we need 2 90-degree elbow pieces for the 1.5-inch tube. And finally, a narrowing converter from 3-inch to 1.5-inch PVC piping. A 3-inch diameter PVC perfectly fits a Gatorade bottle for our weights, and a 1.5-inch PVC perfectly fits ping pong balls for our projectiles. Okay, so now we will start assembling our compressed air cannon. The first thing we need is to attach our narrowing converter to one of our 90-degree angle pipes, like so. And then the second 90-degree angle pipe should be connected to the first so that it is pointed in the opposite direction. And then we take our 1.5-inch PVC and stick it into said 90-degree pipe. So this makes the launcher for our thing. Finally, this is attached to our 3-inch PVC, and lower it down. We have our cannon. Now we also need our weight before we can launch our cannon. So this weight is simply a Gatorade bottle, which fits perfectly into the 3-inch PVC, filled with rocks to add more weight to it. Also have a piece of yarn longer than our large PVC pipe tied around it so that we can yank it back up when we need to. The easiest way to get your ping pong balls to fly the furthest is to create a vacuum. So, to create this vacuum, we have to put our projectile in at the same time, and at the same time we have to lift our weight up through the shaft. So, first we will put the ping pong ball in as so. And at the same time, we need to lift our weight from the bottom of our large PVC all the way up to the top. This will create a lack of air between the two, and the vacuum lessens the amount of friction we have, so it will make the ball go further. Now, when you're ready to fire, all you have to do is drop the weight and the ball projectile will come out. So, that concludes this video. Hopefully you've had a fun time making this cannon with me, and will make more in the future. It's really fun, and it helps with basic skills in engineering and physics. So, have a great time.